Got here another watermelon slicer. Let's see what this one is all about. Usually those watermelon slicer have a hole in them. This one will actually slice them up without taking off the middle. Seems to be very sharp. Wow, be careful. So I have big watermelon and a small one. Let's try to do it with the small one first. So I guess what we'll have to do is cut the bottom and the top just like that, not too much. And then find the middle and just slice it. Wow, that is fast. Incredible. Should have done it maybe a little bit more from the bottom, that way they would have stayed. But yeah, now you have perfect slices. Check this out. That was very sharp and fast. Love it. Now let's see if it will work with a big watermelon. So I have a really long watermelon over here. So I'm gonna chop off the top and the bottom again. I need a better knife. 1 and 2. Try to make it straight. Oh, that's gonna be fun. So then stand it up. Check this out. Okay, very sharp right here. Once again, find the middle. Okay, there goes nothing. Started off slow, kinda get it going. Wow, this is hard. Check this out. Maybe go like that by heating it a little bit. Wow, look at your slices. Check this out. For the most part they did stay, but they cut them all the way. This is amazing. Look at these slices. I can eat watermelon like that. That is the best watermelon slicer. Doesn't take out the core. The most beautiful slices ever. But what about cantaloupe? Let's try to do cantaloupe without even cutting it. The only thing is it's kind of hard to keep it steady. There you go, let's go. Nah, you gotta cut the top and the bottom. So that way you can start off right. So just a little bit. Don't even have to do a lot. Okay, and let's go fast this time. Oh, wow, how awesome is that? This is a cantaloupe slicer too, look at that. It actually cleaned off for the most part all the seeds too. So just grab a spoon, knife, whatever you prefer. There's a cantaloupe slicer, gadgets, cleaners. But yeah, this has actually turned out to be the best. So easy to clean and you have perfect slices right here. And easy to take out. Love it. Got out here 2 Messfree peelers. Let's see what they're all about. I got here first of all cucumber, and let's start out. Oh, gotta push a little bit harder, and look at that. It really is. I should have got non-cut glove. Wow, check this out. I'm like already watching out for all the peel going everywhere. And it doesn't, because it's catching it all inside of it. That's so cool. And it peels it all the way from up to down. Might use a different attachment. We'll see if the other attachment will do better. So simply to replace the blade is just do it like that and this way. I think this one will do a little bit better. Let's try it out. So I'm gonna just do half. Oh yeah, this blade a little bit better. Whoops. This is nice. A big cucumber like that, slicing it, I mean, peeling it pretty good. What about this one? Will this one do better? So this one doesn't have replacement attachments. Wow, it doesn't peel as deep. It's way cleaner, so you can probably, after a few times, just throw it away. And you kind of have to peel it laying down to kind of catch everything. You see it? Amazing. The peel is so skinny. So, finish off this side. This is super cool. Okay, once I'm done with cucumbers, I'm gonna go to the carrots. Yeah, look at all that mess. Okay, let's try to do same thing to the carrots. It works. How cool is that? And then I usually would flip it over and finish off this side. And look, one carrot, no mess. Looks like one piece or two falls out, but still, pretty awesome. Just toss it over, love it. What about this one? This one just peels a little bit thicker. That's the only difference. Well, I forgot to close the top, so you have to have a top closed. Let's do another carrot right here. I know the peeler actually not as powerful as this one. I kind of like this one better, the Messfree peeler. So anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this very unique Messfree peelers. Never seen anything like that. That's why I wanted to show it to you. I got a bunch of orange peeling gadgets. Let's see first one is all about. There's a knife here and there's all kind of a sharp, not super. So you put it in and just slice it all the way down like that. And just keep going. So as many pieces you want to do. Whoops, slid down. So you want to kind of go a little bit slower. So let it sink it in and go inside of it. Hopefully you guys can see. You want it to go under the peel, way under the peel. I guess depends of orange, how thick peel you have. It's gonna peel kind of differently. So now, let's start. I guess you could use this now to finish it off. That's pretty cool. Oops. Kind of hard to tell how deep I should go in. It peels it, but I don't know. Tore up my orange juice in a few places. Let's see if this one going to be any better. Nice packaging. Wow, check this out. So some kind of metal piece, and all you do is just go really deep in. So hopefully you will penetrate that first layer of the peel, and you go all the way around. Oh, slip through. That should be good. And let's start from this side this time. Oh yeah, I think this one is way better. It's the same oranges, and look at that. This one did pretty good and faster. Oh yeah, I like that one a lot. Got to break this off. Boom. Yeah, this one is so unique and bulky. I like that one quite a bit. But let's try something a bit cheaper. I don't know if this one will work or not. So same way, go around. It has a little handle over here. Just push it through. Then you can either do it by hand or with this little gadget. I know, this gadget actually works really good, even though it's like a plasticky little thing. If you start it from the top, it works really good. I'd say you gotta do it from here and just work it this way. Beautiful. I know, I still like the second one the most. This is nice too though. This one is just seems to be going to last longer because it's heavy duty. And I have another one, just stick it like that. Go all the way around. And then I guess you can pry it open and then just do it by hand. Ah, no. I don't know if it's Orange's fault or that gadget. Yeah, this one not as good. So same way, it has a little knobby. We'll start from here and go all the way down. Again, this orange is kind of different. Some has really thick, peel. Some have not as thick, but let's try it. And then just like on advertisement, you peel it with this. What side? I feel like it's easier on this side. I think I need to slice it up one more time because it's not wide enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's a little bit skinnier. I feel like we'll actually be able to do this. There you go. Okay. Good idea, but I don't know, still kind of a messy way to do it. And you have to cut it up quite a few times. Okay, and we have a last one over here. Hopefully this one will be the best and we declare a winner. So this one looks like you cut it in half, so totally different compared to all the other ones. So left-handed, right-handed, don't matter, just stab it and cut it in half like this. That's it. And just like a picture, you just stab it too and go around, I guess. Or just break it off, whatever. That is cool. That is definitely the fastest, and so far mess-free. Look at that. Let's see if I can pull out the whole thing. Might as well break it off a bit. Anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think, which one was your favorite? They're all a bit different, but again, I think this one was the best because it's high quality metal, it will last forever. Got right here a bunch of garlic presses. Let's see what they're all about. So first of all, this one is super unique. As you can see, this one is twist. There's 2 lines. That way you minimize the amount of squeezing. You're just twisting it, so you have more leverage. So that's pretty unique. So let's break off a piece of garlic over here. Oops. As a big pieces. Okay, the cool part about this one, you can really load it up. Look at that, 2 really big ones. Then you match it up, these 2 lines, and press it. By twisting it, look at that, this kind of satisfying. It does it really good job. Wow, check this out. Look how much garlic we got here. Then grab a knife and scoop it off. The only problem about that, not so easy to clean, but really easy to squish it, that's for sure. Let's see what this one does. Oh wow, this one also a peeler, comes with a peeler. Okay, I have 3 pieces, medium sizes. Let's stick it in there, unpeeled. Yeah, I never seen a peeler like that, bumpy one. Don't want to squish it too hard, but look at that, roll it for a little bit, and one fell out super clean. Second one had a little bit of help, and third one is out clean. Smash the smaller ones over here and dice this one. Let's see what happens. That big one a bit too big. Oh yeah, that's it. Kinda flimsy a little bit, that's the only problem with that stuff. Look, it did dice pretty good. Boom. And this comes off, easy to clean, pretty awesome. Dice it and slice it. Next one is pretty unique. Also comes with a peeler. This one just a little bit different, but they both pretty much really good ones. Whenever they're made out of a silicone, that's good. So I have a couple of pieces of garlic over here. Let's try it out. That's cool. I guess you could do a whole bunch of it at once, as long as your table is not slippery. It's got wet, it's slippery a little bit, but you can I guess smoosh whole bunch at the same time. And then just carry it to a pot whenever you need to dump it out, scrape it off and dump it into a pot or pan, whatever. That's awesome. Pretty cool. This one is kind of unique. You got right here the dots and right here slicer. Both ways. So let's press it first. Very good press, as you can see. What about slice? Slice really good. Look, it all comes out. Okay, one more time press, a bigger one. And that's a really big garlic for sure. Pressed it really good. What about slice again? So cool. That's definitely one of a kind garlic peeler and slicer. And you got slices. Very unique. Got another one over here. This one is completely redesigned. I guess I can start it out by hand like that, then use one of these things. There you go. I know, it's kind of got stuck or something. And then it slides out, so yeah, that's kind of a fail. I thought it was going to be awesome. Okay, another garlic press over here. And it comes with a peeler. Looks like a high quality peeler. But again, this one feels better. But they both pretty good one, as you can see with those bumps. Okay, let's see what this one does. Okay, easy to clean seems to be. Let's peel one. Oh yeah, does a really good job. Let's peel another one. Whoops. You want to put it in good. Nice, peeled it out quickly. Okay, let's do one at a time. Oh yeah, that's good. All metal. Oops, got stuck together. What happened here? The garlic a bit too big or something? Yeah, but still works really well. It does get stuck, so you gotta push it all back in into here. Pretty cool. You just have to clean it though. Kind of gets stuck every time you open it. Anyways, let me know in comments below which garlic press was your favorite.